Hey guys, and welcome to another brand new video. In this video, I want to go and discuss that I've actually been seeing some of the prices on the secondhand markets for the PS5, aka all the scalpers out there, and all the prices actually have been, it seems like, going up from all these third-party websites and secondhand resellers for all these consoles. Now, I do want to go and preface this before the video properly starts. It's okay. Don't worry, guys. Don't go and rush out and go get a console because you think you're going to be losing extra money if you wait even longer. We've held out throughout the past 2 weeks in a very dry season, and of course, there's going to be a lot of major restocks coming out very, very soon. As you guys know, on my channel, I'm more of a restock channel for all my subscribers and such. We're covering Target. Target's looking like a really big drop. Same with Best Buy and Amazon, all on the way very soon, and even some Walmart rumors as well. So, guys, if you guys held out this long, you guys can wait a little bit longer and don't worry about it and don't stress about it. But for this video, like I said, I do want to go talk about the actual stock prices rising going on for all these consoles on the secondhand selling websites, and of course talk about scalpers and all that good stuff as well. So if any of you guys are brand new, you guys are very much welcome to subscribe. If you guys would like, we are giving away a PS5 as well. Hopefully that'll be dealt with this week. We just have to wait for GameStop to have it actually showing up. Leave a like if you guys didn't like these videos, and always leave your comments and thoughts down below on your speculations or thoughts, or if you guys like these types of videos as well. On top of that, the Twitter and Twitch stream, link down below. Follow the Twitter if you guys want more restock news or just general life updates. And of course, Webull and Amazon. Always check on Amazon. We have a lot of Amazon news for warehouse sales, accessories, etc. Always link down below. On top of that, sign up for Webull and Coinbase. You guys sign up for Webull, deposit $100. You guys get free stocks, like $25 for free. And then Coinbase, you guys buy $100 worth of crypto and you guys get free stuff as well. So guys, for this video, the main premise, as I mentioned, is are the PS5 stock prices from scalpers going up? And I'm going to go and show you guys some information, so you guys some actual details and timestamps and all of that. And I would say, so far, yes. Yes, the prices are actually going up on the secondhand market. I've been watching the market, especially because you guys like these scalping type videos. And I've actually seen the prices on almost every various website, funny enough, go on up. And I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, it's also been the same thing too as well with the Xbox Series X, where ever since the drops have been a little bit more seldom from the Xbox Series X, that the prices have been going on up. But as once again, before you guys get all, flustered or scared, there's a lot of major restocks coming up, especially as we've been watching on this channel. Target's prepping up for a major restock. Walmart is overdue. Amazon's overdue. And we're hearing even more Best Buy rumors for some more major restocks there. So before you guys go and run off and try to go and get something from a scalper, just if you guys already waited this long, don't worry about it. This is like the type of guy who gives up at a marathon when they're like 20 miles in and you're right around the corner for basically going in and finishing up the race. So you guys made it this far. There's a lot of big major restocks from reputable retailers coming on soon. So just hold out for that. Like probably in the next week or so, you guys will have a lot more stock. And do you really want to be the guy who goes and pays an extra $300 for a console? No, you don't, especially when it's going to probably be very much available in the next month or two. So go and relax on that. So I do want to go and talk about a few bits of information and kind of talk about what I've been kind of seeing on the market, seeing on the secondhand market, and all of that. So number one, I'm not going to showcase the actual website's name. If you guys have been there, you guys could probably recognize by the actual pictures I'm going to be showing you guys here. But one of the first bits of proof, or kind of like the showcase of the prices going on up, is on this website. I'm not a big fan of scalpers. I usually don't recommend you guys doing that. Even on the Amazon links down below, I always tell you guys to more so check on if it's from Amazon directly, because there's always issues. You can run into warranty issues. You guys can run into broken consoles, brick consoles. And if you guys ever have to return your consoles to Sony to be fixed, you need to have the original receipt. So always be aware of that. You need to actually have the original Amazon, Target, etc. receipt. If you do not have that, they actually have a chance to just go and say, hey, we're not going to fix your console, which is not good. So if you guys know this website, you guys probably know, as of right now, as of the time of this making this video, these are the actual current secondhand prices for the actual PlayStation 5s. As you guys can go and see, it's around $758 for the consoles. I've been looking throughout the past week because I've been kind of very intrigued in all the scalping series and such like this. I saw it as low as around $711 about maybe a week ago or so. But I think with all the extra droughts, with all the consoles going on, it's actually gone up a little bit more too as well. So once again, do you really want to buy one right now? Don't do it. There's going to be that one guy who buys Bitcoin at $40,000 and it goes down to $35,000 the next 2 days. So don't be that guy. Wait, you guys can wait out. I trust you guys. My channel is here to help you guys get all your stuff. But as you guys can also go and see in terms of the prices, if you guys look through here, the 52-week high on the website itself was a $1,300. That's more so about like pre-order and like essentially on the release day. I believe around Christmas time, it was around maybe like the $900 to $1,000 range. And as you guys have been kind of seeing on all the price ranges, it just kind of casually does go down. There's always a very baby bump up, but the overall trend for secondhand is always more down. But you guys can also see the lowest price so far, and that was probably eventually when all the consoles were shoved on the market. as well probably with Christmas too as well being over, I'm sure the price went down astronomically. And you guys can see even the lowest price was at $650. As I mentioned about last week ago, I saw around maybe like around $700. The past few days, maybe around like $730, and now we have a little bit of a bump up too as well. But whenever there's ever major restocks, such as Target, Walmart, etc., the price always goes down quite a bit, because everyone who's been trying to get a stock, like if you have like another 100,000 consoles flooding the market, typically it does make the price go down more. So just off of this website alone, you guys can kind of see that the prices actually have had a little bit of a bump up. But once again, that's just because we've had a little bit of a dry season. We haven't had a PS Direct in like 2 weeks, etc., etc. Waiting for Target, waiting for Walmart, etc. But as I keep on mentioning, they're going to be coming very, very soon. So don't succumb to it. You don't have to. It's okay. Be strong, boys. Be strong. I got you guys. I'm here for you guys. I will get you guys consoles. That's what I'm doing for all the subscribers. Or just for the giveaway if you guys want to risk it for that, just to subscribe, because it is just one button. So also another thing to go kind of look at too as well when it comes to this is eBay. I was actually looking through a lot of the eBay actual, like what people have actually paid and got for it. And when it comes to all this, I do want to go and say that eBay itself, guys, is literally going up a little bit too as well. I've kind of noticed, boys. I've kind of noticed a little bit. So mostly more on the actual confirmed buys have gone up a little bit. I saw maybe around like a $40 to $60 jump, which is kind of the same number as the previous website I showed you guys. Now, once again, I think eBay is typically even higher price than other hand stuff. I usually don't recommend buying stuff from eBay. And don't forget, there have been people out there who have sold things on eBay and they just put in like a rock or a PS4, like a white PS4. So make sure you guys don't usually buy from these third-party sellers, because you could always get scammed. Sometimes it's hard to get your money back, or sometimes they just get the $800 from 5 different people, clear out their PayPal, clear out their bank account, or it's even a stolen bank account and just basically just goes from there, because I know it's kind of a hot commodity. So make sure you guys usually don't buy these. Get them directly from major retailers, because they have the warranties, and that's probably the most important thing if your console broke. Even my console broke, so let me be the voice of reason here. But even looking through all the eBay listings have seemed like they actually have gone up even more as well, usually around a $30 to $50 range, give or take. So why is this kind of going on? I'm sure I've kind of answered it throughout the video already, but as you guys have been seeing, we've had a very, very dry period as of now with all the consoles. There's been no PS Directs for around 2 weeks, which is the first time it's ever not dropped 2 weeks in a row. We did have a few pretty big drops in the past past week or so. We had some Dell, we had some Newegg, we had Anton Line, Costco, etc. So there are still drops happening, but as of right now, I think a lot of these places are slowly building up stock for the next major drop. So next Best Buy drop, next Target drop especially, next Walmart drop, Amazon drop. I think they're slowly building up all the actual stock that Sony has, and they're basically trying their best to turn as much profit. We've also mentioned a lot of different other videos too as well, where it kind of seems like the bundles are also going and trying to be more of the major focus from all these major retailers. So that also on top of that is kind of a major point that they're also trying to go save up for games, save up for bigger bundles, and save up other accessories, controllers, headsets, 2, 3, 4 different games depending on the bundle, to also go and get stock as well. Same with the digital, because the digital is a little bit more rare. There's been a lot more people also trying to go and focus on stockpiling those, aka the companies for it. So that's just one big thing that's just been a little bit more on the lower end of the drops. And why you shouldn't worry is because on top of that, we are going to have a lot of drops. I've said this like 3 times, but you guys can relax. So I've also looked at some other websites too as well, mixed in with PS5 scalping and also other things. And it does seem like almost every single website does have a very minor uptick. I checked on 2 different other major restocking places. One was up around $15 and the other one was up around $20. Those are already on a higher premium than the other previous places we mentioned though as well. So even then it's a little bit higher on top of that. I also did go look on Facebook Marketplace, and funny enough, I saw less listings as well as just a slightly higher price as well. So as I mentioned, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. We're going to have major drops really soon. You know, calm down, take a breather. Don't worry about it. Don't have FOMO, fear of missing out. It's okay. Relax. But I do want to go and take the note that there actually has been a little bit of an uptick as well when it comes to the actual stock itself. I did also look at a few other various websites. Kind of compare the information. I did see 2 websites that actually did have a slightly decrease in price. One was down $3 and one was down $5. And then another website where the Xbox Series X was up around $18. And then another website where the Xbox Series X was the same exact price as before. Kind of looking through the actual historic charts on all these websites. So overall, it does kind of seem like the actual stock is going up very slightly. In terms of that, but as I keep on always mentioning, I mentioned 4 times this video already. I just want to always reassure you guys, because I'm sure people always get worried or be like, should I buy one right now? Should I worry? No, we are very, very close to major restocks, especially with the Target, Best Buy, Walmarts. Do relax. That's why I always link to Amazon down below, because people do keep on getting consoles on refunds or bot cancellations on warehouse sales. That's why I always tell you guys to go check the Amazon link. But on top of that too as well, eventually, once there is more stock that is flooding the market, the prices will keep on going down. It's basically, if you look at almost any stock or any type of currency, there's always fluctuations. It's just the motion of the ocean, boys. It happens all the time. Nothing you guys should be worried about. It's just the natural cause of things. And eventually now, whenever there's going to be next major drops, there's going to be more of a slightly lower price as well. As I also mentioned too, on top of that, I also have mentioned, kind of give you guys even more voice of reason. If you guys saw my previous video yesterday, where I was talking about how a scalping company offered me $5,000 for a sponsorship. It's a good video, go watch if you guys didn't. But basically, when it comes to that, you can also see a lot of these scalping websites are trying to go and offload all the stock as well. So all these places are realizing they want to keep on selling the stock. They want to keep on trying to go make as much money as they can, but they're also probably trying to realize that their time is slowly going up and up and up. So they have to kind of move all their consoles too. So that's another major thing, is that even if like a price increase goes up very slightly, like, are you guys really gonna be worried about $10? But when it goes up very, very slightly, it also means that people want to also try to sell as much as they can to make as much money as they can back. So once again, that'll kind of have like the natural ebb and flow of the markets, where you go and you want to try to make more money, the price goes up, more people want to go and sell, which makes the price go down lower. It's kind of like just the usual supply and demand on all of this. So I want you guys all to take a breather. Take a relax. We did notice a very, very slight increase, but that's just kind of obvious with a little bit more of a drought in games. But as many people also are speculating as well, with a little bit of the less major drops that have happened from the Target, Walmart, Amazon, Best Buys, whatever, it also lets them go and build up stock more as well. So another nice little twist and turn is that all these next major drops are probably gonna be very, very big, very, very massive, and a lot of you guys are probably gonna get the consoles, especially even for cheaper too as well. So do you really want to go and spend, and I keep on saying, an extra $300 on a console that's going to probably be, you'd probably regret in about a week or so? No, don't be that guy. Don't go be the guy that goes and succumbs to a scalper. It's not worth it. My entire channel is dedicated towards getting you guys a console. So if anything, just go subscribe instead, or even, like I said, subscribe for the giveaway. But I really hope you guys all, I guess, just give me your feedback, your thoughts on this. I keep on trying to go and reassure everyone, because I know there's always that one person who's worried, or if they should go and like pull out their credit card now. Don't do it. It's okay. Don't worry. Just give it another few days. We have a holiday weekend too as well, so you can just take the breather, relax, all that. But definitely leave your thoughts down below. I'd actually love to hear your thoughts. I keep telling you guys, if you guys are scalpers, maybe send me an email. I had a few Twitter DMs, so if anything, try to send me an email for that, because I'm just kind of curious more on your stories. On top of that too as well, if you guys are scalpers, I don't hate you. I just don't really condone scalping. If you guys got to do it, you guys got to do it, I guess. But I'm not a big fan of it. I don't really condone scalping myself. So try your best not to do it if you guys can. It kind of takes away from someone who needs stuff. But if you guys have to for whatever reason, last resorts, I know the world's weird. I don't judge you that hard. But thank you guys all for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this type of video, the speculation, the kind of talk, this ramble. Leave your comments down below if you agree or disagree and all that stuff. I do think it's intriguing that the market does have the secondhand price going on up, but I think for sure it's going to go down as time goes on with all more consoles being released. And also as all these places actually have a chance to build up more stock, it just makes the drops bigger. It also means more people get the consoles. That means there's less secondhand sellers trying to go and sell the consoles too as well. So that's my thoughts on it. I think it's intriguing. I think it's cool to note, but I do think prices will kind of go down too for sure as time goes on. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and definitely leave your thoughts down below. Always check on the Amazon link down below. Follow the Twitter and Twitch stream, and subscribe to the channel if you guys would like. Always link down below, or just go press the subscribe button and like button if you guys like. And of course, sign up for Webull. You guys go and deposit $100 and verify your account. You guys get a bunch of free stocks. Or if you guys go and sign up for Coinbase and buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or whatever, you guys go get free Bitcoin. Always link down below. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you guys like these types of scalping videos, let me know as well. I would love to make more scalping videos or scalping interviews or stuff like that if you guys would ever let me. I try my best not to go and show the websites too hardcore too as well, to not give them extra promotion, because like I said, this is kind of an anti-scalping channel. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys up in the next one, and hope you guys enjoyed my analytics and talks and news and whatever. We'll definitely have a lot more videos all up on the channel later on today. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.